Dear devotees, March 3rd, Tuesday, is going to be lunar eclipse. This is one of the important slokam during Grahanam you can chant or write in a paper and keep it with you during the Grahanam. After the Grahanam, you can have a shower and bring the paper, slokam paper to the temple and give danam to the priest. So this is an important slokam. योऽसौ वज्रधरो देवः आदित्यानाम् प्रभुर्मतः चन्द्रग्रहो परागोत्त ग्रहपीडाम् व्यपोहतु योऽसौ दण्डधरो देवः यमो महिषवाहनः चन्द्रग्रहो परागोत्त ग्रहपीडाम् व्यपोहतु योऽसौ शूलधरो देवः पिनाकी वृषवाहनः चन्द्रग्रहो परागोत्त ग्रहपीडाम् व्यपोहतु. So during the Grahanam, so we can chant this slokam, and after the Grahanam we have a special abhishekam to all the Devi Devatas at Vedic temple, and the same day, March 3rd, evening, so we have a Grahana Shanti Homam. Those belongs to Bharani, Makha, Purva Palguni, Uttara Palguni, and Purvashada. So these nakshatras, anyone can come and do the nakshatra Shanti with your own hands at the temple. So please join us. And also we have a Satyanarayana Puja. So special day, holy full moon, Masi Magam at 7 p.m. So we have Samuhika Satyanarayana Puja. So join us to celebrate Satyanarayana Katha and lunar eclipse Grahana Shanti Homam at the temple. May God bless you all. Thank you.